That must be his odors. The rhino girl is still dancing in the background.
Yeah, everyone's like looking at them except her is just like dancing.
They're like looking at him except the rhino girl.
We've been looking all over for you. Come on home.
He's gonna have a choice. Chop, chop.
Choppity chop.
The emotion, the tension. What is this music? Someone just hit random keys on this music.
There, he still has the bell in his hand.
The bell.
Gave it to the boy.
The scene is genius. Because it's a bell from earlier. Damn. Yeah, now he's staying in the wild.
He's actually staying in the wild? I thought he was gonna go with his family.
Yeah, there's no tears. They don't have the budget for that.
He just didn't have the budget to wipe the white tear animation.
Here you go, kid. Try this on for size.
A fish sandwich taken by...
It's just a dog-eat-dog world. Get it? Because he's just a dog.
Dog-eat-dog world out there.
And there we go. The ends. Oh, okay, so we did have repeat voice actors. Oh, the kid was the same voice as the
Kendra Thomas.
And that's why he sounded like he was constipated. It was a woman trying to sound like a little kid. It was like...
Is Kendra a girl?
Who is Queen Ashanti?
Who is Lou?
Okay.
I don't know who's some of these
Pop
people,
quiz. Which character was which animal?
I don't know. Oh, I know Artie. Artie's the only one I know.
Robert D. Hanna.
Artie.
Oh, what's up, dude? I'm your guy. If you need to get around this jungle,
What's up?
I know the best surf spots in this jungle, bro.
In the Serengeti.
In the Serengeti, bro.
Well, there's so many people working on this, and it's still
Like, look, that's so many. It's so many. I mean,
Actually, like relatively speaking, you know, like an accent is in a Pixar movie, there's like thousands.
but like I've seen like Indie animes, like 3D animation.
Yeah,
You ever watched the Bill Works video? Bill Works can make a oversimplified.
Wait, is there comments on this video?
Yeah.
I seriously think this movie has damaged my brain and soul. I cannot describe how much pain I'm like
Life really is a jungle,
That
huh?
was an hour and 40 minutes of our life.
I don't know, is that even a movie? Do I get the call? Is that
Technically,
Technically, it was.
Well, I mean, I recommend watching it if you don't have an appreciation for movies. Why?
the only like animation you've ever seen is the 800,
800, 5,
Or if your
3.
animation's
Is that a commercial?
This is what you don't do.
Just take notes, but not. I mean, any other animated movie I'll see, I'll be immediately grateful to. So, thank you. This Life's a Jungle, Africa's Most Beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, that
Also,
movie was released in 2012?
What the
He
Africa's Most
wasn't
Wanted part.
wanted, yeah. There
Wanted
was no,
by who?
There was no police.
I wanted the movie to be over. I give it a higher score if I could.
I'm just saying, they could have saved so much money if they just made
Not
it shorter.
making it.
Or made it shorter.
Anyway, that's been the video. This has been another episode of
You gotta think of a name.
Animation Sucks.
Animation sucks.
It's the Don Quixote.
Don Quixote is so much better. Like, I would 100% watch Don Quixote over
At
this.
least it's like
It's actually, like, when I was making the video, this film
Sorry,
started.
not really. That's what I said. Like, Don Quixote actually is like actually a movie. So if you enjoyed that,
be sure to do everything that makes YouTube show this to more people. Like, punching the screen. And
Punching the screen.
We will.
they'll put you in the air.
We'll put you on an anthill and giants will crawl.
Oh!
See ya.
Well,
That's good ending.
That was great. You want to go play Gordo?
is that actually a real game? Because I don't think it's... I'm not sure if it's actually a real game. But I've heard that Gordo is a Spike enemy from the Kirby series. Let's see. I gotta say, them reacting to a movie like this was pretty funny, but according to the ratings on IMDb, it's a 1.6 out of 10. I'll tell you why, because this movie, the animation was horrible, the voice acting was terrible, and the textures of the snow with the grass is basically terrible. That's even terrible than The Legend of Kung Fu Rabbit and Agent FOX. Oh, if you ever come across this movie on Amazon Prime Video or Netflix or Roku channel, or if you come across a DVD of the movie at Walmart or eBay or other shopping sites like this, don't watch it. The animation and the voice acting is terrible. That was my reaction. Anyway, thank you Something Different 765 for suggesting me to react to Jonah Who and Brock, the guest star, reacting to this movie. That was my reaction to We Watched This Animated Train Wreck, so you don't have to. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like me to react to more movie reactions like this, comment down below. Also, another reminder, if you really want me to watch and react to an entire anime TV series called Pokemon, please, I'm begging you, comment down below. Also, if you like my reaction to this video, give it a thumbs up, give this video a like, share, subscribe, follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to click on notification bell for a notification. This is Ponylover1989, and I'll see you all next time.